Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com and today I'm going to show you how to fix post you have liked section missing or not showing in the latest Instagram update. So let's get started. So first of all, let me show you that I have recently updated my Instagram application, and when I get into the account settings, menu and settings, then account, there is nowhere to find that post you have liked section here. So I'm going to show you that how to find it and how to find liked post in your latest Instagram update. So all you have to do is to go back and tap the three lines menu bar at the top right. Now there is a third option, your activity. Tap on the your activity option. Again we have the third option here, interactions. Review and delete likes, comments and your other interactions on Instagram. Tap on the interactions option. And now we have our second option, likes. So here you can find all the liked posts or all the posts you have liked, including videos, photos and reels on Instagram application. So tap on the likes option. And there we go. Here you will find all the liked posts. You can also select them to unlike in bulk or one by one. So I'll select one here and then choose unlike, and you have unliked one post. Similarly, you can select multiple, tap and hold, then select these liked posts or pictures, then unlike option at the bottom. You will see a pop-up that unlike post. Are you sure to want to unlike these posts? Simply tap the unlike option to confirm and you are good to go. You haven't liked anything. When you like a photo or video, it will show up here. So this is how you can find your like post on Instagram application, actually in the latest Instagram application. For more to the point videos and updates like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.